Hello, today it is me again and not my cat. And it's my lunch break. I have to get something to eat from the local store. Every time I get into my car I get sad because tomorrow I'm giving it away. This is most probably the last ride this car will ever make with me. Except for tomorrow when I'm bringing it to the car dealership. Okay, so now let's eat while I'm getting some work done. Cooking took longer than I expected it to take. And I'm gonna see you in a few hours when we're cleaning out my car. Okay, work is done. It is still bright outside, the sun is still out. And yeah, now I have to clean out my car, like everything has to get out because otherwise I can't sell it. This feels like undressing my girlfriend, but without the pleasure. Look what I just found. My replacement glasses if these break down and I have to drive. They look like shit. It looks so naked right now. Not to forget, I have to replace my vent caps. I got these for Christmas and they won't fit on my new car, so yeah. Actually, it's a bit dark. Let me turn up my brightness. Oh, I'm making my camera dirty. This is better. I have to wash my hands really quick. Okay, I'm almost done, but there's another spot I have to clean and I can show you. Look at this. This is where my phone was mounted, but because of my AC being shit and not being possible to mount the phone mount really good, I had to use tape, and now it's sticky and doesn't go away and I have to clean this. Sucks. Doesn't work, I have to try something else. Okay, nothing worked so far. Let's go melt this. Okay, that actually did work, but my camera's battery died while doing this, and yeah, here is the leftovers from my old car, which will probably go into the new car. So my old car is standing outside, all naked and alone. And tomorrow I will bring it to the car dealership, and also tomorrow I'm hopefully gonna see you again.